OpenDrive Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you need cloud storage for personal or business use, OpenDrive promises unlimited options and robust file management. But is it the right fit for you? One of the biggest pros is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking all cloud services are the same. OpenDrive offers multiple storage plans, including personal, business, and enterprise, with features like file backup, syncing, and sharing. This versatility suits both individuals and teams. Another advantage is security. OpenDrive supports encrypted storage and secure transfers, helping protect sensitive files. The app also allows web-based editing, task management, and file versioning, which is particularly useful for collaborative projects. OpenDrive integrates with desktop and mobile devices, making access easy from anywhere. You can also set permissions and manage user access for shared folders, which is great for business environments. However, there are cons. Some users report slower upload and download speeds compared to competitors. The interface can feel outdated, and customer support responsiveness is inconsistent. Additionally, while unlimited storage is advertised for some plans, there may be hidden limitations for high-volume users. In conclusion, OpenDrive is a flexible and secure cloud storage solution for both individuals and businesses. The surprising truth is that while it offers a lot of features, performance and support may not match larger competitors like Google Drive or Dropbox. For users seeking customizable storage with robust security, OpenDrive delivers value, but speed and interface limitations may be a drawback for some.